So we're up for round 2 now. Chrysler airbag in a handy dandy bar fridge. Came from a 92 Voyager van. Let's do it. You better get out of the way, Wolf. It's going to be big. Okay, we're all set up now. We got to get Wolf out of there. Wolf!
Wolf!
Wolf! Come on, Wolf! Come on!
That would have been more exciting, though.
Yeah, okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
This time when I say, I'm going to go 3, 2, 1, 0. Are you ready?
0 or 1?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, 0. Woohoo! That wasn't bad.
Holy shit!
I got spectators up there in the, what do you call that? The VIP box?
Yeah. That was amazing!
Let's go see the damage. The carnage. The horror. Oh, look at that. Oh, the humanity. That fridge tried to eat a microwave. And there's the door. Not as powerful as a Ford airbag, but let's see what it did. Oh, there's the airbag. Still smoking. Now let's see how hot this one is. Oh, that's hot. Don't ever touch one of those suckers. Now let's check the fridge damage. Holy! Well, we got ourselves a kid coffin this time. Ford airbag makes a coffin out of a whole-size fridge for adults, and now we got a kid coffin. What more can you ask for? Thanks, Chrysler. I feel safe now. Cool.